How to add photos to Facebook album without posting them. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina. So let's get started. First, open your Facebook app. Make sure you have logged into your account. Tap on this profile icon here. Then tap on this photos section. Then tap on albums. Tap create album. Name your album. Then tap create. Then tap on the created album name. Then tap on this add photos and videos. And then you can add your photos and videos to this album without posting them. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.